Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video in front of you here you can see here's the Amazon Basics power bank. This power bank capacity is 20,000 mAh. This is a 20,000 mAh power bank, guys. And here you can see Amazon Basics 20,000 mAh with 22.5 watt fast charging, guys. This is a white color. Actually, I purchased this product in Amazon, guys, at rupees cost of 1,099 rupees. But now current sale price I am telling it is live. Actually, the cost is 1,099 rupees. 20,000 mAh battery I have purchased. Sorry, it's not battery, it's a power bank actually I purchased. Let's first we will unbox it. Actually, I need to tear this paper tape. Okay, I have it removed. Just we need to take this out. Okay, here's the box. Inside this there's a power bank. Here you can see this is a white color, and inside this box what they have provided. Okay, USB to type C cable, it seems. This is a USB to type C cable. Just keep this aside and we will take this power bank out now. You can see, guys, actually this design looks quite good. Actually, Amazon Basics branding name is there. Actually, there is a two output port is there, USB and on type C, and there's a dual input port is also there. Here you can see is the type USB, dual USB type C and one USB port. Sorry, it's not USB type C, it's a type C port, and there is one USB port is there. Okay, that's it. And guys, this power bank weight is 16 grams. Actually, I have not yet measured, just from Amazon I am telling. I saw in Amazon website they have claimed that this power bank weight is 16 watt, and it gets a full charge of 0 to 100% in approximately 6 hours with the standard 18 watt charger if you're using Men's. Okay, but charger they will not give. Actually, they will not provide with this power bank. Just you need to purchase it separately, guys. Okay, you can charge your Android phones and iPhones too by using this power bank. Actually, that's good. And okay, guys, regarding this video, that's all. This small video regarding this power bank actually. Power bank actually, and in backside here you can see they have provided details regarding the input and output ports actually, and there is a made in India. That's good. Okay, and okay, guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or documents, just ask in the comment section. I will reply. And okay, guys, bye. I will see you in next video.